Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of waiting till the last minute to get some shit done. We got 2 days once again to start this project, and if you take a look and see what we're working with, it's quite the doozy. Make sure you get that whole... Alright, so we're going to start by taking off the door so it doesn't get in our way. And then we'll get started with the deconstruction. Alright, so I guess I need a tool. Not the best hammer. Over here. Alright, so we're gonna start gutting this bitch out. So, cue the fucking scene. The people want the truth, the reality. Not this PG YouTube compliance shit. You know what I mean?
The people don't know what they need.
The people do know what they need. They may not know what they need, but they know what they want.
Alright.
Dude, we're about to fire the director over here. Jesus Christ. Looks like I still got some dirty chunks in there. We'll have to take those out. Alright, so we're gonna take this out right now, but it's gonna come back because we're gonna build an enclosure for the washing machine that we put in here. So, out it comes. Pop this off to the side. Alright. Now, I need a fucking wrench. For those who don't know, that's where you get hot water from, is the hot water heater. It doesn't just magically come out of the abyss. There's no need to do the whole thing. Alright, now we gotta disconnect the sink, the plumbing. So let's see how that goes. Shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, sink's out. Let's hope this works. Sounds like it worked. Alright, let's get this bitch out. That was fairly easy. Alright, to the trash. Alright, now we just gotta clean up the floor. We're gonna take off this stuff last. I'm just gonna dry up the floor so I don't get any shit water in my face while I'm peeling up this tile. And see where that takes us. Thorough Goods. Made in the US. So in case you guys are watching, you know, and you want to throw us a little sponsorship, we'll gladly accept. These are the only work boots I buy. All right, so we got the tile up. So we took out the toilet. We're not replacing the toilet. We're gonna put a sink here. So we're actually just gonna plug this flange up. Silicone up this cracks here, so we don't get any unwanted critters. Almost ready for paint. Did you see where that paintbrush went? Shit, so this one. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Watch yourself. Careful. What am I doing? Opening up the paint. Alright. So we went with Gotham Gray. So I'm hoping it looks good. We went semi-gloss. So we'll find out here soon enough. But it'll look better than piss white. And we also decided to go with the cheapest shit money could buy. Alright, we just finished up the second coat. We're going to let it dry overnight, and then we're going to get to work tomorrow. And we got to let these floors dry so we can put some stick and peel tile down. So it should be a good day tomorrow. We got a lot to do. Stay tuned. Alright, first panel going in for the flooring. We went with the cheapest stuff we could find that looked decent. And let's see how it looks once it's all said and done. After the first one, it should all be easy. Hopefully I don't have to bite my tongue. Very nice.
Alright, we're on camera, let's not sound cheap.
Vacation. Alright, so we just picked up this mat. We're going to put it over this flange so it covers it up because we're just going to put a sink here anyways, and it's just going to be another moisture barrier in case there's any leaks or anything. So I'm just going to line it up, set it in, and call it a day. putting up a goddamn vent. We went with a drop-in selection, so we have to build a frame for it, and it's gonna be floating. So I'm gonna go ahead and start tacking this in. I already cut the boards, so it should just be pretty simple. I just need to get it in place, scratch up my paint some more. Let's say we hit a stud. Alright, we're putting the same laminate on the sink so it matches the floor. We're just running a different direction so it gives some contrast as well. So I'm just spraying a little adhesive to get this set. And this already has adhesive, so we're just gonna run it. Really nice. And we're just counting down the time here. Alright, since we installed the vinyl, whatever you want to call it, flooring on the sink area and did a little backsplash, now it's time to put the sink in and take a look. Well, there you have it. That looks pretty sick.
Looks beautiful.
Alright, let's go ahead and hang this mirror. Alright, so we found a little workaround of our issue here. So we went and bought a mirror from Costco, and it happens to fit right over this thing. So here's the moment of truth. Alright, we're probably going to hardwire this, but for right now we're just going to run the cord here because I got to get on a plane in an hour. Would you look at that? Let's see. Different lights. It's pretty bright. It's very bright. I like that. Alright. Put it on the faucet. Drop her in. Go underneath. Annihilated all my paint job here. But this isn't the finished product. I'm actually about to hop on a plane here and heading out to Colombia for about 10 days. So I'm not going to be here to finish the video, but my boys are going to help me out, and with some magic of the editing wizards, you will see a finished product very soon. Stay tuned.